This video was filmed in Mexico.
Alright, frick it. Gonna ride like this. Gonna ride like this. Alright, so we're in the back of this state forest, just little roads, and we might send. I don't want to get in trouble though, so we'll see what's down there. Right. Hopefully you guys don't fall. Super fast, because not gonna lie, I'm still scared and I shouldn't go super fast. So be safe, right? Oh, what the heck is that? A little like mud puddle. We got 4 auto. We got traction control off. I didn't lock the rear. That's alright. I'm also scouting the area because I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna take some pictures of some dude's Gladiator. That's not sketchy at all. The Volkswagen back there with a spare tire on and a dent door. It's probably somebody's land, so it looks well taken care of unless it's the States. Just cruising right now. It's pretty flat. You're gonna get to the end where this area where like it has a little dead end. It's like a little circle type of deal. But we'll just see what's up. Hopefully this is getting at what I'm seeing, which looks dope. Got the power lines over here. Now here with the power lines. Oh, what the heck? Some sand. Let's go into sand. And the power lines, you know, that's where you get the 5G poisoning. Just kidding. I'm playing. But it's funny. Maybe 5G radiation. Woo. Woo. I know people were Raptors, the pavement princess, but this thing, hell no, son. Had a Raptor be sending it right now. Is this it? Dude. I wish I had somebody with the view from the outside, dude. I'm not even going fast. I'm gonna slow down a little bit because it's a bumpy ride, and this is just stock F-150 with the FX4 package that I don't know if it really does much, but sure, you know. So let's go over here. Over here. What the hell? Oh, what the hell even is that? You gotta be careful over here. Oh no, it's right here. It's this area right here. Oh, that looks like a bluey box. Park the truck. I'm gonna take a picture. Oh, somebody has little shooting things back here. Alright, give me a sec. I'll be back. Whoa, whoa! What does this say?
Okay. Do you want to reply?
No. Do not reply.
All right.
There's like a freaking sand digger or something in the ground right there. Just left out in the ground. Sorry. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna come back here with these dudes, Gladiator, taking a couple of pictures during sunset of his truck. Told him, you know, me can try something. I want him to do like a couple of donuts, like donuts. Now I'm gonna take some pictures. Hopefully I can get like, I don't know, something cool with the sand splashing or something. It's kind of deep down there. It's like, it's soft sand, but we'll see. This thing is bumpy as heck. Obviously it's not like a nice little road. It's a little bit bumpy, but it's nothing crazy. It's a bit sketchy. My exhaust, like the tips, dirty as heck. Gotta rinse my car off. I mean, it's time for like a nice little bath for her, but I don't know if I'll have time today. Well, it's probably 2:30. It's kind of cold. My son is gonna want to come out and help me. I don't know. Nice little area right here. Let's put this thing in. Shift it. Right. Doesn't look nothing dangerous around. It'll be dope to put the stand outside and do it. I don't want anybody to come out and see. Okay, make sure everything looks good. Okay, be straight. Respect to the people that got trucks and do some off-roading, you know. I know you want to keep your baby clean and looking nice, but man, it's just so fun having something that you can off-road with. And just, use it pretty much. Hopefully my wife doesn't get mad at that video. She probably is going to. And yeah, but that'll be alright. Man, I still have this in my head because I want to capture out here. But yeah, I'm not sure if this is gonna be a video. If it is, gotta make an intro, but I'll be fine. Can't wait to build this truck, man. Obviously, I'm nowhere near saving the money for this thing, but we'll get there, man. We'll get there. All right. Might take a little bit longer, because we are not established yet and have like a big following and all this deals coming in and stuff like that, but it will happen. And once I get the build done and everything, we're gonna send it and just make amazing content for you guys. And hopefully you guys, stick with me in this journey, But yeah, let me give you a little. Woo. It's getting a little bit ahead of itself. What the heck is this? Little bug. Now rock chips, paint, all that. Might suck, but definitely gain rock chips and stuff like that. But it's like I said, I think it doesn't have PPF or anything like that. But I think it's whatever, because I'm having fun with the truck. You got a little scratch here, a little, I don't care, because like I said, I'm having fun with the truck. And let's let this dude pass by. Stuff too, but yeah, it's telling you, having a nice sports car, having a truck that you can off-road. I think I'll take the truck that you can off-road any day, because man, I know a lot of people don't like this and stuff. If that's your thing, okay, it's cool, but I just love it, man. But back to the Raptor thing. You got Raptor, dude, and it's just a pavement princess. Man, use it for what it's meant for, bro. Just go to the little trails like this. That's all you need, little trails, at least, a little dirt on the wheels, that's it. A lot of people are like, it's like their babies and don't want to mess it up or anything. It's cool, whatever. So the other dudes, I follow a bunch of dudes on Instagram, like Raptor Bros and stuff. Those dudes send it, bro. They send it with the truck. They're down here in Florida too, so they send it and like send it up. Right, but I was saying, it's fun, man. Get out there, go touch some grass, bro. Take your kids out. Go to the beach. Go to a little, park or something, bro. God made all this for us, He made all this for us to enjoy, and it's beautiful. Nature's so beautiful, man. It's when you wake up and see that sunset, sunrise, in the evening, it's beautiful, man. Just remember, God did it. God made this. Keep your faith on Him. Sometimes it's gonna look like He ain't there, but He's there. You just gotta ask for His help, bro. Okay? Just I can try and figure out since I'm about to hit the. What if I just jump this? It's like the little entrance, and I just. I could jump it a little bit, but no. It's like the park entrance, and there's houses right here, and they're like doing pavement, They're fixing up the road because it was all just dirt. Fixing it. But yeah, man, stay blessed. Send this to your friends, man. Tell me what you guys want to see. I have some ideas of what I want to do, and sometimes I don't have ideas. But yeah, I gotta wait. On my way to get what's next for a truck is that I'm gonna put a tune in it. Gotta save up for the tune, and I'm gonna save up for the warranty because the warranty is expensive. Just in case I messed this thing up, I had to go into the dealer because one of the hub links was messed up and the wheel was like so loose, dude. Fix that. Didn't have to pay anything because of the warranty. I have 8 years, 100 miles. I'm barely at 27,000. So you know, it's a long time warranty, you know. So I can't wait. But we're gonna get a tune, and then after that, we probably won't do nothing to it. I'm gonna wrap it soon. I'm gonna do it myself. Probably won't look good. Might get frustrating. Just like, don't do it. But I'll find time to do it. Oh, the pop-up. But yeah, probably the wrap will come first, and then the tune, and then I probably will leave it like that and save up the money for the. I'll be honest, I don't think I'll have the money to do the build this year, but hopefully I have enough for the mid of next year, which is it's fine, you know. Everything happens in God's timing. All right, so yeah, I'm just talking, just rambling. So let me know what's your guys' favorite truck. Was it your dream truck? Your favorite truck? And if you own the truck, what truck is it? And what have you done to it? Let me know. What have you done to it? If you have a Raptor and you send it, let me know that too, because that's dope. Send me some pictures or something, you know. Clutch Supply. If you like their merch, go buy some of their clothes. Use code Luis504. It gets the brother. It gives you guys 10% off, and it gives me a little bit. That 10% off that you guys get, it gives it to me, so it helps the brother out. All right, and that money I'm saving it for this truck. But yeah, right, I'm gonna leave it here because I gotta drive back home to make sure all my tires are okay. Yeah, they look okay. But yeah, I'm driving back home, and I'm gonna peace out, right? Peace out. Oh, wait. Love you guys. God loves you.